So I'm really fortunate that my work as a health coach encompasses a number of different strands. I have a one-to-one health coaching business, private practice, which I do Zoom and also in person. I have a corporate wellness portfolio, which encompasses doing talks and workshops on a number of different topics. I deliver wellbeing training to leaders and managers and also at C-suite level. And I also work providing one-to-one health and wellbeing coaching for execs, but also leaders and managers as well. I work as a senior associate for a local coaching business, providing wellbeing services for their clients. I also do some pro bono work, working on a voluntary basis with a local natural health centre, running a menopause support group. And I'm also really delighted to say that I'm an HCA ambassador as well. My first corporate wellness talk came about from talking to another mum at a cricket match about the menopause, and when we were both watching our kids. I was also really lucky that some of my case studies carried on working with me and they evolved into one-to-one clients. And also some of those case studies introduced me to their organisations or other people they knew in organisations. So talking to people and actually telling people what I wanted to do and what I was doing and my background really stood me in really good stead. So my background is originally in the corporate sector, but around 12 years ago, I had a bit of a wake-up call because I had my own health issues, which resulted in a bit of a health crisis. And that started my retraining and going on my own sort of personal health and wellbeing journey, which led to me becoming a health coach. I think it's really important to pick the right training provider for you. One of the things that attracted me to HCA was the fact that it was a course where you could flexibly learn and you could have the mentor support as well, the mentor sessions. I loved that aspect of it. But I also liked the fact that it was accredited by the UK International Health Coaching Association and Association of Coaching. Having those professional accreditations was also really important to me. But I think it's also important to be passionate about what you do, to really want to help and support people. You know, I walk the talk, and a lot of the health coaches that I know also do that, are role modeling healthy lifestyle habits. So if you're passionate about the subject and you want to support people, then I would say this is probably the best job that you can do.